today we're going to be going over the trades that I took last week and how I was able to make $142 really easy with a very minimal risk. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out how I did it. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. So like I mentioned previously, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make $150 really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into the video. So the first trade that I ended up doing last week was a trade that has been going on in my portfolio for quite a while now. You know, I've had this position for almost 2 weeks now and I've been making money off of it every single week. So why not sell it if I'm already up? So what I ended up doing on this Wells Fargo position that I had, if you guys go ahead and look back at previous videos, you guys would have known that I ended up getting assigned on them at $24.50. So I had 100 shares of Wells Fargo at $24.50. And this week, what I ended up doing, I ended up selling the 25.50 call, and we got an initial credit of $42. So that means that regardless of whether stock went up, down, or traded sideways, we were guaranteed $40 on Friday, and that's exactly what we got. So that means that we're already up $42 for the week. However, this option ended up in the money, as you guys can see by the price of Wells Fargo right here. It's currently at 27.56, so definitely way in the money compared to the 25.5 call. So we ended up getting assignment, and what that means is that our 100 shares of Wells Fargo that we had ended up selling at a limit price of $25.50. But that's not bad, you know, we're still making money. Why? Because like I mentioned, we got assigned at $24.50. So if you take the difference between 25.50 and 24.50, that is $1. And so multiply the $1 by the 100 shares that we had. So that's a $100 win on that alone. So that puts us already at $142 for the week. However, I'm not done. I ended up taking another trade because I saw some potential to make really easy money, and the stock that I ended up trading was Snapchat. So Snapchat has been going up and down, kind of just slowly and surely going higher from last week, and that's a similar pattern that we've seen on most stocks because the stock market as a whole has been recovering. But what I ended up doing was I ended up selling the 16.5 put strike on Snapchat, and we got a credit of $15. And so basically what that means is as long as Snapchat was above $16.50, we wouldn't have to buy these shares. But we were still guaranteed that $15 regardless of whether it went up or down, because that's how selling options work. But we were not obligated to buy the shares because Snapchat did indeed end up higher than 16.5. It actually ended up way higher. As you guys can see, it's currently at $19.50. So it was a really easy $15, which adds up our total to around $157 for last week. You know, the total, if we go ahead and look at it right here, it's a little bit messed up. It only shows $42, and that's because I am currently making this video on Tuesday, so it's taking the face value of my account on Tuesday from last Tuesday to this Tuesday. So but that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys in the next one.